Hey everybody, you asked for it, now you can get it. If you want the absolute best performing SCX24, check out these limited edition wheels. These are big diameter, super style for 1.8 tires that allow you to climb up taller edges and span wider gaps. Most importantly, they have an internal tungsten weight hanger that puts your center of gravity lower than anything else out there. These will be limited to just 50 sets, and I can't promise I'll offer more after that. Each set will come with an individually hand-numbered card so you know which set you got. They are only available as a builder's kit. I include all the hard-to-find carbon and tungsten parts. All you have to do is print the plastic parts, or get them printed, and assemble it. I also have a big selection of wheel faces, and I might even make you a custom wheel face if you like, so you can make your set unique. Just to clarify, you can't build a complete wheel set with the print files only. You need the full kit with the carbon and other parts to make a proper wheel set. Go to theboomsling.com and watch the video linked in the description for detailed building instructions.